How to fix Instagram camera. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram camera. So the first thing you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone. Now here you will find many options, as you can see. Just go to the apps option on your phone and then go to the apps again. Now click here on Instagram. If you didn't find it, just go to the search bar right here and search for Instagram. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. On this page, all what you have to do is just click on this open by default option and make sure to enable this option to always allow, like this. It's very easy actually. And then go to the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the camera and storage. Now the last thing you have to do is just click here on this force stop option, and after that the problem is gonna be solved. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.